catch your vibe, come catch your vibe.
Hey friends, what's up? It's your girls Alicia and Elise, and I'm Alicia, and I am back with the perfect holiday effortless style you can get your hands on. Y'all, it's the holidays, you know, we running around, we with family. Our time is being consumed right now. So you definitely want something that's effortless, that's super cute, super easy, beginner friendly. So I picked up this unit from ISEE Hair. If you guys are interested in this one, all of the details is going to be listed down below in the description area, but this is their new and improved no leave out V-part unit. You guys can see it does have those removable combs, that contour around the ear, and that drawstring, which is going to give you a super secure fit. But y'all, this is the way my curls came directly out of the box. This texture is their Afro curly. I'm going to show you guys what I do to make my curls look a little bit more natural. I am just going to go ahead and take my unbrush. This really helps get rid of any tangles, any shedded hairs. I'm just going to go through the hair and detangle it, spray a generous amount of water throughout the section, go through the hair once again with my unbrush. Then I'm going to take my pattern curl gel to really enhance those curls. I really recommend this on any Afro curly wig, and I also recommend it for your natural hair because sis, it really gets those curls to pop. So I apply a generous amount, and then I'm going to use my Felicia Leatherwood curl defining brush to really help enhance those curls. Y'all can see how the curls are popping so far. All of the products that I'm going to be using in this video, I'm going to have it linked down below in the description area, but I'm going to go ahead and continue enhancing these curls, and once the hair is fully dried, we're going to see just how these curls are looking.
Why you playing me? You know that you fun with me. Yeah. I try to give you my attention, you want none of it. I thought I gave you my love, but it wasn't enough. If I pull up, just shit, baby, don't break it. I wanna see you get it. Arch your back, I wanna taste. Keep on shaking, make me wanna fit. I try to give you my attention, you want none of it. I thought I gave you my love, but it wasn't enough. Stop it, she gon' drop it. Got a pallet, baby, shawty find the tropics. Got a little bit my violet, shawty, she my problem. And if you ever got it, baby, I'ma solve it, baby. Your vibe, not tryna waste your time. She said I need you in my life, girl, I can't reach your mind. I think I'm running out of time. I wonder what you think sometimes. I wonder if you lie, but if you do, just save my life, save my life. Damn, I missed the OG. Why you playing me? You know that you fun with me. Yeah.
Okay, so it is a few days later. You guys can see how natural those curls are now looking. I also went ahead and cut off the little strap between the V part. You're definitely going to want to cut that off. And here is that drawstring. It's really going to make this hair really stay put and secure. But I do have my hair in like 2 pigtails. I don't have my hair in braids, and I'm not going to be using leave out today. I'm going to show you how I install this wig without any leave out. What I'm first going to do is take those small little combs on the side just to kind of anchor the wig in place. Be gentle to your temples, y'all. You don't want to have missing edges. But now I'm going to just open up those clips. As you guys can see here, they're pretty easy to open, and I am just placing those clips right at the edge of the part in my hair. You definitely want to make sure that part is long, at least 5 inches back. Please ignore the flakes in my hair, but I'm going to go ahead and do the same on the other side. I'm just taking those clips and gently applying them them right at the edge of the part that's in my hair, and you guys can see how it's looking. I definitely recommend the crochet method if you want a much more natural appearance. I love the fact that there is an additional drawstring on the back of the unit for added security. I'm just going to go ahead and pull on that lever just to tighten the back and the front, and I'm just going to tuck in that drawstring, and you guys can see, voila, it's nice and secure. Now I'm just going to take my Afro pick and just go through the hair, picking out the root of it just to give it more volume, more body. I'm also going to do some light layering with this, and once I'm done, we're going to see how this unit is now looking.
Why you playing me? You know that you fun with me. Yeah. I try to give you my attention, you want none of it. I thought I gave you my love, but it wasn't enough.
Okay, so this is how the hair is looking. I'm absolutely loving these curls. I believe this unit is in a 20-inch. If I am wrong, I will put it in the description area. Here are the angles of the hair. Y'all can see just how much fullness and body it has, movement. Those curls, they're really light and airy, but depending on how much product you add will determine how soft or crunchy it is. Y'all, I just went and put this hair in a couple of really quick styles. Ignore the fact that the parting area keeps sliding more and more open. If you have texture to your hair or even some plaits, you can definitely use that as an anchor, but my hair is straightened, so it's kind of sliding a little bit, but ignore that. But y'all, you can wear this hair in a few styles. Again, it's very curly, it's very effortless, super beginner friendly. This one is super cute. I definitely recommend this one. Those curls are just giving. Again, y'all, this comes from ISEE Hair. If you guys are interested in this V-part unit, definitely check it out. They do have a promotion going on right now, so look into that, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.